XLM, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned we are looking for buy since the price was exactly within here. And we mentioned we're looking to as a first target as a 0.4 following by 44. All right. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. And if we move to daily chart, all right, based on daily chart, may move this one for forward chart. We just split it and as well here. All right. Based on daily chart, we're looking at this correction. And with the breakout of this correction, as a long term, we can expect the price tag 0.5 following by 0.5850 and 58 cents. Right, this is what we are looking for, but we need to see the breakout of the previous stop. All right, that's why if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. And right now, what we're looking for continuation, and we need to see the breakout of the previous stop. But as a long term, with the breakout of this correction based on daily chart, we're looking for 50 following by 58 cents. And if we move to forward chart, and we have been trading, we have been looking for buy based on forward chart in relative to this. That's why we have been looking for buy. We mentioned with the breakout of this correction as expanding, even we discussed as a short term, we have been looking for based on forward chart 40 cents following by 44. This is the first things we need to see the breakout of these two levels. Then from there, we can look for 50 following by 58 cents. But one thing we need to highlight here, if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, if you refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. Anyway, we are not looking for the reversal. The only thing says, may we get the deep, either here or at higher price, we get a deeper correction in relative to this, it turns to flat. All right, that's mean whatever the trade we get for buy, we will take it. And we are not really looking for sell at this point. Even we have a divergence, we can look for sell as a short term, but mostly we look as a long term, we're looking for buy. And again, if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And if we move to 1 hour chart, and even based on 1 hour chart, we see we have a divergence. And as well here, again, we need to see whether the price can break 40 cents or not at this point. And even if you want to look for buy, if we get a flag or correction here, still we can look for next trade. The only times we are not going to look for buy, if we get any sharp move following by flag, then we wait for price to drop. Then from there, we look for the reversal. Whether we should look for sell or not, it depends on traders. But at this point, I'm not really interested to look for sell, because sometimes we get the sharp move following by correction, then the price can reverse. We should know that even if anyone wants to look for sell, they shouldn't be in the trap, right? And again, if we get a flag here, still we can look for buy, but we need to see whether the price can break 40 cents or not. And if anyone get the trade from any of this correction flags, move the stop loss to break even. All right, since we have a divergence, maybe we see the price continue and drop, and we see the running flat based on forward chart. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.